Hello lovelies, time for the last haul. Let's go and see what I got from Marks and Spencer's first. I wanted to get some jeans from there, but I didn't really have time to try them on, they were closing. So, I really like the material of these. They're kind of ribbed, like crew neck, ribbed. This one's size 16, £9 each, so more than what I would normally pay on just a plain top. But yeah, I think they're nice. It says Marks and Spencer's, the slim stay nude cotton with stretch. They do look stretchy. So I was saying to my mum, I hope it's going to fit. I've not tried them on. So, and I wanted some V-necks really, but I saw these and I just thought they'll do. And then I got the exact same one in brown. If you know, you know. Like, I love brown. I love camel tones and brown tones, especially in the autumn. And I think this would be like an investment piece. I think from now on, for like t-shirts like this, I'm just going to go to Marks and Spencer's because they're really, really good quality. The quality feels absolutely amazing on them. Right, so I made some failure purchases, which are no good to me. So I'm wearing these now. These are the cherry nails, and they're coming apart already. I only put them on last night, so here it's kind of like bending a little bit. I'm going to keep them on for a few more days, but then they can go off. These ones are alright. I think these were £2.50. But then these ones are just absolutely massive. There was only 18p though, so I think I'm just going to bin them. Even my niece wouldn't wear these. I mean, her nails are even shorter than mine. So those ones as well, they're the same ones. I got like a bulk buy. These ones aren't any good either. They're just too long for me. So what I now know is don't buy from Studio London Almond nails and almond gloss, because they're not the right size. Oh, that's the packaging from those Nike socks. They were called the Nike Everyday Elevated Cotton Cushioned, and oh my gosh, they feel like slippers. Cloud-like cushioning, engineered arch support, reinforced toe and heel, and there was $14.99 if you can see that there. And I think I've only got 2 more things in here. No, 3 things. Come on. 4 things. Is it? Let me just double check. Yeah, I think so. Now, if there's more in there, then it's just tough, isn't it? So let's talk about the glue that I bought. I picked up this. This is £3.50. It's expensive stuff, but it's better than that glue that you get in the packages, and you have to cut it and then it goes everywhere. So I do like my Elegant Touch, but I also have a W7 one somewhere, and I don't know where it is. I don't know where I put it. I thought it might be out in the front room, but it's not there because normally I do my nails out there. I'm sure I will find it, but I did get that one. I do like the brush on glue. It's if you wear false nails a lot, I recommend it. It's a really, really good one. Or the W7 one, like I said. Then I came across the MCO Beauty counter. Now, I've wanted this blush. Well, I want the Dior one really, but this is a dupe for it in Rosewood. Let's try and get into it. And what I want to do is try this. And if I like this, then I don't know if there'll be any need for me to go out and get the Dior one, but I've got the Dior Rosewood blush stick, and I wouldn't mind having the Dior Rosewood blusher. Does this have a shade name? So it's Glow Up pH Powder Blush. It says Blush Red, Rouge, Fuscia. I hope that's not too dark. It looks about the same colour. What I'm going to do in the next video, we're going to see if they're going to go together. That's actually pretty nice. So yeah, the only Dior one I've got is the pink Dior one. And I've got an older version of it, and I've got a newer version that my friend got me. So yeah, I'm kind of debating whether to get the Dior version of this in Rosewood, but you can quite clearly see this is a dupe. Then, but before that, I saw this. I was looking at the Morphe counter and I was thinking, is there going to be any eyeshadows that are going to pique my interest? Well, this one, I was swatching something else. I can't remember what it was called, but then I was swatching something else and I came across this one. So this one is a Platinum Bombshell, and I've been looking on Sephora for this for quite a while now. And every time I look on Sephora, I mean, it's only £13. I keep saying, no, you've got enough eyeshadow. But then I was just in the right place at the right time yesterday. I was in Superdrug. And I just thought to myself, just get it. You know, it's £13. You can afford to get it. And that looks like that. Sorry about the marks on it. It looks bougie, doesn't it? I'm going to bring you closer for the eyeshadow reveal. You get that in it. I don't much care for that, if I'm being honest. Oh, so stunning. It's very, very me, very taupe. Can't wait to use that. I think I might even put that in the acrylics for this month. What does this say? Your richest look. Start with the silky matte. Oh, it tells you how to put the eyeshadow on. I know how to put eyeshadow on, thank you very much. I've been doing it for quite a while. Let's put this back in the box. I don't think I'm going to put it in my makeup collection. I'm just going to put it where I put all my other eyeshadows to be used this month. And then the last thing I got, I thought this was really, really interesting, is the MCO Beauty 2-in-1 lip treatment. So I thought it was a lip oil, but it's not. But can you see the glitters in that? Look at all those glitters. I can't show you now because I've got this lip tint on and I don't want to mark it, but it's got, like, I've got an eye treatment that has these little balls here, and I tried it on yesterday and it smells of, straight up, it smells of vanilla. Oh my gosh, it smells of vanilla cupcakes. I don't think it has a name for it. It's just a lip treatment. And they've got several lip treatments. But I think they only had this one. I think it might be clear. It looks pink because it's in this little pink tube here. But I think it might be clear. We can do a swatch, can't we? We can do a swatch on the back of the hand and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's definitely clear. Yeah, definitely clear. There's no pinkness to it. I really, really like it. I think it's nice. It's going to get used as a lip oil, not a lip treatment. That's everything. That's everything from the hauls that I've done yesterday. Spent probably far too much money, but you got to treat yourself every once in a while. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.